Have you ever wished for a Class C motorhome that feels less like a traditional RV and more like a luxury apartment on wheels? For years, many Class C motorhomes have shared similar designs, similar interiors, and similar features. While they've always been practical, they've rarely been exciting. But today, we're looking at something that's changing that perception completely. Welcome back to California Autos. In today's video, we're taking an in-depth tour of one of the newest and most impressive luxury Class C motorhomes on the market, the Grand Design Lineage Series E. From its aggressive exterior styling and premium construction to its high-end interior, smart technology, spacious floor plan, and innovative engineering, this RV promises to redefine what buyers expect from a gas-powered motorhome. So sit back, relax, and join us as we explore every detail of this incredible home on wheels. Let's get started. The very first thing you'll notice is that this doesn't resemble a typical Class C RV. Instead of a plain, boxy appearance, Grand Design has given the Series E a bold and modern personality. The blacked-out front fascia immediately grabs your attention. The aggressive grille, premium LED lighting, dark wheels, and sleek body graphics give this motorhome a rugged yet luxurious appearance. It almost feels like a luxury expedition vehicle rather than a conventional RV. Moving along the side, the full-body paint creates a premium automotive finish without relying heavily on decals. Large tinted windows improve privacy, while giving the exterior a clean, upscale look. Every angle feels carefully designed rather than simply functional. Even small details like the LED accent lighting and premium baggage doors contribute to the high-end appearance. This is clearly an RV designed to stand out wherever it travels. Underneath the stylish exterior is one of America's most trusted commercial platforms. The Grand Design Lineage Series E rides on the dependable Ford E450 chassis. Power comes from Ford's proven 7.3-liter V8 gasoline engine. This engine delivers smooth acceleration, excellent reliability, and plenty of power for long-distance travel. Whether you're climbing mountain roads or cruising comfortably on the interstate, the V8 provides confidence behind the wheel. Another huge advantage is its impressive towing capability. Owners can tow boats, utility trailers, motorcycles, or even small vehicles, making this RV perfect for adventurous families. Fox suspension components help improve ride comfort while reducing body movement. Combined with modern driver assistance technology, the driving experience feels surprisingly refined for a vehicle of this size. Stepping inside the cab, everything immediately feels familiar and comfortable. Ford's dashboard layout is simple, modern, and easy to operate. Large digital displays provide important driving information, while the touchscreen infotainment system keeps navigation and entertainment within easy reach. Comfortable leather seating provides excellent support during long road trips. Large windows improve visibility while reducing blind spots. The elevated driving position gives drivers a commanding view of the road ahead. Long highway journeys become much less tiring thanks to comfortable seating, adaptive driving technology, and excellent visibility. For anyone upgrading from a traditional travel trailer, driving this motorhome will feel much easier than expected. Now let's move into one of the biggest highlights of this motorhome, the main living area. The moment you step inside, it's obvious that Grand Design wanted this RV to feel like a luxury home instead of a camper. Soft touch materials cover the ceiling. Premium cabinetry surrounds the living space. Modern lighting creates a warm and welcoming atmosphere. The color palette feels elegant, contemporary, and timeless. Large windows flood the cabin with natural light during the day. At night, integrated LED lighting transforms the interior into a relaxing living environment. The reclining theater seats are positioned directly across from the entertainment center, making movie nights incredibly comfortable. Unlike many RVs, the slide-out design still allows generous walking space even when retracted. That means you can comfortably access much of the coach during travel stops. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference in everyday usability. The kitchen continues the luxury theme. Solid countertops provide generous food preparation space. The large sink makes washing dishes much easier than in many competing motorhomes. A modern induction cooktop allows fast and efficient cooking. Deep drawers offer organized storage for cookware, utensils, and supplies. The microwave adds convenience while the spacious refrigerator provides enough room for extended trips. Soft close cabinets reduce noise and create a premium residential feeling. Everything has been designed with both beauty and practicality in mind. Whether preparing breakfast before a road trip or cooking dinner at a campground, this kitchen makes everyday living simple and enjoyable. Bathrooms are often one of the weakest areas in many Class C motorhomes. Fortunately, that's not the case here. The shower is surprisingly spacious. Tall ceilings provide excellent headroom even for taller travelers. Modern fixtures, quality finishes, and generous lighting make the space feel much larger than expected. The sink offers plenty of countertop space. Storage cabinets help keep toiletries organized. The porcelain toilet and efficient layout create a bathroom that genuinely feels residential. This is one area where grand design clearly focused on comfort instead of simply saving space. Moving into the rear bedroom, comfort continues. The king-size bed immediately becomes the centerpiece. Large windows allow fresh air and natural light to enter while maintaining privacy. Storage surrounds the bed, providing space for clothing, personal belongings, and travel essentials. USB charging ports and reading lights make nighttime much more convenient. Washer and dryer preparation adds another level of practicality for travelers planning extended adventures. Overall, this bedroom feels more like a hotel suite than an RV sleeping area. One feature that deserves special attention is storage. Exterior compartments are deep, organized, and easy to access. Camping equipment, folding chairs, tools, grills, and outdoor gear can all be stored without sacrificing interior living space. Technology is another strong point. Bluetooth lighting controls, touchscreen coach management, solar charging capability, lithium battery system, dual air conditioners, tankless water heater, modern electrical systems. All of these features work together to create a motorhome ready for today's travelers. Whether you're staying at full-service RV resorts or spending weekends off-grid, the Series E offers outstanding flexibility. After exploring every corner of the Grand Design Lineage Series E, it's clear that this isn't simply another Class C motorhome. It's a complete rethinking of what this category can become. The exterior looks bold and modern. The interior feels luxurious. The driving platform is reliable. Technology is impressive. Storage is abundant. Comfort is outstanding. Most importantly, every area feels thoughtfully designed for real-world travel. Whether you're a weekend camper, full-time RVer, or someone dreaming about life on the open road, this motorhome deserves serious consideration. Now we'd love to hear from you. Would you choose the Grand Design Lineage Series E over other luxury Class C motorhomes? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this full RV tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future luxury RV tours, motorhome reviews, and automotive content here on California Autos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next adventure.